Hey guys, Isaiah here. So for some reason the GoPro audio on my camera was not synced up, so we're just getting the airplane ready to start here running the checklist. So circuit breakers are in, and then making sure that our fuel's on both and the auxiliary pumps are off, mixture rich, pump the throttle a couple times to get the fuel through the accelerator pump. And then beacon, parking brake off, master on, and then, oh wait a second, hey, we don't have a key. Where's the key at? So waiting on the key here for a second. Ah, there we go. Now we got a key. And then clear prop. And it starts right up. Laying the mixture out for ground ops, and then avionics master on.
All right. Good morning, everyone.
Hello. Hear me?
We'll see if you guys maybe want to be featured on my YouTube channel. If not,
Oh, heck yeah.
you guys want to be on YouTube, do you?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll say hello to the folks on YouTube.
Hey, YouTube. Hi, YouTube.
What's up? Everyone's in the back there. Woohoo! Going for their first General Aviation plane ride. All right, RMD, landing lights off, beacon. Oil pressure's good. Fuel, oil temp's coming up. All right. He's gonna marshal us. All right. Get this on down here.
Door.
Oh no, keep your door open. We'll do it when we're on the takeoff. All right, 122.8. Make sure that works. Summersville traffic. Skyhawk 8071. Gonna be taking runway 22. Summersville traffic.
Talking to someone?
Yeah, so this is a Unicom field. So what you do is you go out here number one first and look. Make sure no one's coming. Clear right. Clear left. And you make your call, radio traffic, to announce that you're going to be departing from this airport since there's no control tower at this airport. If you guys have any questions at all, just feel free to ask. And everyone's got their seatbelts on, correct? Okay. And they don't have to be buckled super tight.
What's the point of it?
What's the point of the seatbelt?
We're dying.
No, we're not. I don't operate that way. I could set this thing down in a tree and we could get out with breezes if I had to.
I'm a tree.
Yes, indeed. Here, if I can get that. I can't. So we'll set the field elevation.
Solid state.
Elevation is 1820. That's pretty well right to begin with. All right, good. All right, so we got that in. We're going to do, well, we're not going to even test the autopilot. We don't need that. Do a little run-up check here. Flight instruments. You're heading here a little bit.
That.
Go. Brakes, flight control. So you always use the checklist. That way you never forget anything. If you don't see a pilot using a checklist, you better hop out of the airplane. Now we're going to check the engine, make sure everything's working properly. We test ignition system in 2 parts by turning off one of the magnetos, which fires the spark plugs on one, because we have 2 spark plugs per cylinder. Alright, so turn the green, oil pressure's good. Carb heat. Bring it back to idle, make sure the engine doesn't die. That's good. turns. RMDs. Yeah.
Hannah,
What, the door? We're gonna get that. We're not gonna take off with it that way, don't you worry. Summersville traffic, Skyhawk 80871, departing runway 22, Summersville traffic. Alright, so now we can go ahead and close our doors if you like.
I think mine's closed.
Yep, it's closed. Alright, everybody ready? You guys have your mics close to your mouth? You gotta have them close enough that you can eat them.
Oh, I don't want to eat this.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and power up right here, hold the brakes, and then we're going to release them. Gauge is in the green, everything's good, away we go.
Oh.
Ready? Gauge is in the green, airspeed alive.
God. Videoing. Are my ears gonna pop?
They should rotate. Here we go, gently up into the air.
Oh.
Anybody got the time by any chance?
8:16.
8:16, thank you.
Oh my
beautiful.
word.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
What do y'all think so far?
Incredible.
Isaiah, this is awesome.
This is the view I get all the time.
Hey, I can hear you in both ears now.
The mountains are beautiful.
Yeah, they're nice, aren't they? Let's see, your guys' campground was ever past the dam, right, I think?
That's correct.
Alright, let's see if we can find it here real quick. Is it out on that little kind of jet-looking thing that goes out?
Yeah, it's directly across from the island. You can see where all the cars are. It's on the far side of it.
Okay. We'll see if we can find it.
Good morning. All of this for the morning.
Yeah, Alyssa, there they are in the bottom right.
You guys see them down there, do you?
They're at that little hook, that little...
Yeah. There's
Okay.
Brian's boat.
Get it?
Well, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll put 1 notch of flaps in, slow us down a bit, help us make our turns. You guys let me know if you get uneasy with the turns, alright?
I'm out there.
They waving?
I don't know if we're up in the... How high are we?
We're about 900 feet right now. Alright, let's show you the rest of the lake here. Summersville traffic, Skyhawk 80871. It's going to be conducting operations in the area about 900 to 1,000 feet. Summersville traffic.
Yeah, Hannah, when they go out in the morning for the whole day, they pass that dock usually.
Is it incredible at sunset?
Oh, very.
There's the point we were at yesterday.
Where is it?
That little point right there, we passed that yesterday. Just showing it to Hannah. She's never been to Summersville.
Oh, cool. Hey, you guys, just point something out. If you want to go see it, let me know. I'll fly over towards it. put up our flaps, trade downtown Summersville here real quick.
Is there a height that you can never go below when there's...
Well, generally it's around 500 feet. If you're in a congested city, it's around 1,000. Unless you're taking off or landing, of course. Okay, so it's Hannah, Travis, and Alyssa, right?
Correct, yeah.
Okay, very good.
The air conditioning, or is the air from outside?
Just the outside air. All right, Alyssa, how much you know about flying?
I fly in airplanes. Nothing about operating.
Okay, well, if you move this yoke to the left, it rolls the wings to the left, move it to the right, rolls the wings to the right.
Am I going to actually affect things?
Oh, you're not going to hurt anything. I'm right here. We pull it up a little bit, the airplane goes up. We push it down a little bit, the airplane likes to go down. So go ahead and try it.
But you got the ultimate control, right?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here if you need me. So bank it to the right, and then push it down just a little bit. Come to the right a bit. Alright, so right now we gotta drop down a bit because we got some clouds. That's alright.
Sorry.
That's alright. We climbed up there a little bit too high. Here, keep your hands on there.
Sorry. That's hard to push it down.
Well, we can trim it out a little bit. It may need a little bit of trim. There we go. Does that feel better?
Sure.
Alright.
You're not doing much, you're scaring me.
Oh, you're alright. So just go ahead and pull up a little bit now. Pull back a little bit. There you go. Just a little bit. See, it doesn't take too much. Then come to the right a bit.
Hey, Alyssa, do a barrel roll.
Travis. Meet your maker today, Travis.
Alright, so make a right turn back towards the lake for me.
Me?
Yeah. So just like this. What I want you to do is just like this. Rolling on over like that. And then it's going to want to keep rolling, so then you got to roll against it a little bit just to keep it from rolling over, okay?
I am.
You didn't think you were going to be flying an airplane today, did you?
Bragging rights forever against Travis and Hannah.
That's right. And it's on YouTube. It's on video. So
Proof.
there you go. Let's see if I'm getting a good angle on here.
Your hands are not on the wheel right now. I hope you know that.
I know. There's nothing you can do up here. It's going to scare me.
Oh, look, we're going down. Okay. We were going down for a second.
You're doing fine.
We still got to go right, correct? Oh, we're going too high.
So go back down. Push it back down a little bit.
Oh my God. Isaiah?
Y'all okay in the back there?
Ew.
Pull up a little bit. There you go, see? A monkey could do it.
Do we still have to go right a little bit?
No, go straight now.
How do you know how much the wind affects you? Is there a meter?
You just kind of look at the ground. Let's see, are we tracking it straight? Is it blowing us to the left or right? And, if you're coming into an airport, well, most of them have weather. This one doesn't, so we just look at the windsock on the ground.
The tube-ish thing on the ground that shows where the wind's blowing?
It's supposed to be orange, but it's old and decrepit, so they need to change out.
Yeah, I was going to say, you might want to fix that. Pretty.
Very nice, huh?
Where are we trying to go? What point?
You can go wherever you want. If you want to go back around the lake, you want to circle around your friends and family over there?
Yeah.
What do you want to do, Travis?
Yeah, go back over there. But let Isaiah turn.
Yeah, no, go ahead.
Go left.
Go ahead,
Oh,
just
God.
go left.
Go left, Alyssa.
I'll be careful. Hold on.
There you go.
Okay.
Crank on over.
Crank it.
On over.
No,
on over.
don't crank.
Crank it, soldier boy.
Okay, that's too far, isn't it?
No, it's not.
Okay. Y'all see this? This talent right here.
As long as I don't see the ground too quickly.
Oh, is this the airport?
Yeah, we're right over top of the airport at the moment. And then bring it back down just a little bit.
Down. Oh, that's down.
Yeah, that's down. That's right. That's good. We're just trying to stay below these little tiny bit of low cloud layer here. If you even want to call them a cloud, they're more like fog almost.
There's like no cloud.
Where are they camping at? Like what area? Are you around it?
Up here on the left, Alyssa,
Oh, yeah. It looks
see
so
the little-
much smaller up here.
And that's low enough. Go ahead.
Go up.
Stop your descent. Pull back a little bit. There you go.
Oh, I'm sorry, y'all, about that. That was a little much.
yeah, you can see Brian's boat there on the left.
Wonder if they're even awake.
Probably Dawn is.
Is that it, Carl?
Completely random question. Have you ever been hired to write a message in the sky?
No, I've never had an airplane that has a smoke kit on it, so that's not happened yet.
Trying to insinuate something, Travis? Trying to get somebody a job? What you want to write? I can get it for you.
All right, then go ahead and come back around to the left.
There's an old employer I'd like to write a message to.
What would that message be, Travis?
Have a good day.
Oh. That's sweet of you. Got me nervous driving this thing.
Are you enjoying it, or are you not liking it?
No, I am.
That's good.
I would like Isaiah to drive. Thanks for asking.
I didn't really ask for opinions, it was more of a statement.
Keep turning, go ahead.
Okay.
That down a little bit, that'll help block the sun out some.
Oh. Hannah?
Alright, let me see it for a second here. You can keep your hands on the controls and follow me through.
Hands on the controls, Alyssa.
It is on, Travis.
You guys doing pretty good with the turns?
Hannah, I feel like you're the one tore up about it, so you want to answer?
I would prefer Isaiah's.
But I mean, are you guys okay with the banks? Are you guys okay with
yeah.
that? Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Well, just let me know if you're not. We're going to put some flaps down. We're going to get our flaps down all the way here in a moment. We're going to get slowed up, and we're going to do a nice little turn here over your campground.
Do I still have to have my hands on it?
Yeah, you can keep your hands on there. That'll be fine. Okay, flaps are down all the way. Yeah, we just put the flaps down.
Yeah, we're slowing down. Is this normal?
Yeah,
Yes.
He's doing it
fine
on
right now.
purpose. You're right on the...
Now we get nice and slow over everything. Tell me when they're underneath the wing.
They are.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are we doing?
Just doing a slow turn. flaps up now, level out.
See the wake of the boat over here to the right.
All right, anybody got the time?
8:30.
8:30, all right. Stay up here for a little bit longer, but not too much longer.
Y'all not have a clock in here?
Yeah, I don't think there is one in here. There's a house meter, but...
All of these, this fancy technology, don't have a clock.
We'll come over here to the airport real quick. You guys ever heard of a touch and go?
Yes.
Oh, we're about to do one here.
What's a touch and go?
You'll
Yeah,
find
you'll
Touch
out.
a tree and go.
Yeah, you'll see here. Summersville traffic, Skyhawk 8071. Going to be coming over the airport, left downwind for runway 22. Touch and go, Summersville traffic.
Very pilot's voice.
Oh, yeah?
Like your customer service voice, but pilot version.
Yeah, it happens.
Hi, this is Alyssa. Thank you for calling Chili's.
Welcome to
Let's see, runway's right down there below us. All right, good deal. I put our wing flaps down a little bit. Hey, you can stay on the yoke there with me, it's no big deal. As long as you don't have a death grip on it.
Don't.
Alright. Now we're going to make our left base here. Good, turn final.
I thought that was the runway and I was getting a little nervous.
This is the runway right in front of us here.
Oh, we're really slow.
Hope we're going slow if we hit the runway.
How fast were we going?
Oh, we were going probably about 125 miles an hour earlier.
120 did not feel like that.
Yeah, it doesn't up here. Alright, so we're going to do a touch and go here.
Alyssa,
Not doing anything.
She's okay.
Whoa.
Power up. Keep it in the ground effect while the flaps come up.
We're going back in the air?
Yes, we are.
Oh! That's what that means.
Yeah.
touch
What-
the ground and go.
Flaps
What's
are
the
up.
point in that?
That's just a touch and go.
Just for fun.
Yeah, just for fun. Alright, then we'll go ahead and land on this next one here. Nice and pretty out there, isn't it?
Like driving over the mountains? I mean, flying?
Oh, I love it.
What's the
Absolutely
coolest
love
place you've flown over?
I'd say probably Dolly Sods, because you really feel like you're just out in the middle of nowhere.
What did you say?
Dolly Sods, wilderness area. It's just really, really serene, and you just, you know, you're out there. That's in between like Grant County and Elkins.
We're not from here.
Oh, okay.
That doesn't mean much.
It's deep in the mountains. I'll put it that way.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty far in the mountains. We have Summersville traffic, Skyhawk 80871 on the left downwind for runway 22, and it'll be a full stop this time. Summersville traffic.
Press a different button when you talk to him.
Yeah, just right down here.
They ever talk back?
Yeah, sometimes they do. You just gotta slap them around.
That feeling of slowing down freaks me out.
Oh, yeah? Oh, it's nothing to worry about.
I don't have a fear of heights.
I don't think so.
If she had a fear of heights, she'd be really freaking out.
I don't have a fear of heights. I have a fear of the ground if I'm too high.
Oh, really?
Is that how that works?
Yeah,
Oh, you
just
gotta
more
sky-
the falling.
Oh, you gotta skydive sometime. That's freaking
Oh,
awesome.
hell no.
I did that for my 19th birthday. It was the best adrenaline rush I ever had.
Oh, no thank you.
All right, full flaps.
Do you know how often people fly into this?
Not sure, to be honest. As we're coming in here, what we're doing is we're reducing our power. Like right here, we haven't made. We're bringing our power back all the way. Transition to the yoke. Flaring the airplane. A little bit of a bouncer there. That was kind of crappy.
That was actually really good.
Well, I'm glad you thought it was good. I didn't, but I'm a perfectionist, so. Alright, and we put our flaps up. And as we pull back on the yoke, what that does is it helps us to aerodynamically brake. And then we can brake with the airplane wheels as well, or airplane brakes.
Alyssa,
Bring our
don't touch
mixture
it.
back. And then we can go open our door, get some ventilation in here again. We can do a 180 here.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's okay. You can do that. That's fine. Open it on up there. It's not going to hurt anything. Anybody got the time?
We're at
8:38.
8:38, okay. Turn our strobes off now. Arm daylights.
We survived.
I don't know where Alan went off to.
Well, his seat is down, so she's sleeping. Out.
Are you going to go back out?
Yeah, we're going to go to possibly Lewisburg later today, hop across the mountains.
In this plane?
Yeah,
You guys support people, or is it more of a just for fun?
it's more of a 3-person plane, but you can get away with young people with 4 people.
Gotcha.
All right. Y'all have a good time?
Of course, yeah, that was
Excellent.
awesome.
Excellent.
That was amazing.
Good. Good deal. I'm going to slide forward so you guys can get out.
Do you mean leave this open?
Yeah, you can leave it open. That's fine. All right, guys. So what did you think? The camera's still rolling.
That was awesome.
That was awesome.
That's cool.
It was beautiful.
A little worried with her
Okay.
control, but yeah.
I got some
beautiful.
It was awesome.
Good.
Miles were high
You're welcome.
So you could actually see the lake and everything. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could see all the mountains.
We flew over our campsite.
Yeah, I just texted and see if they saw you. Yeah, we saw. So, so that's good.
Good deal. So, any of you want to be a pilot?
She's the closest.
I would be the closest, but I don't know if I want to be responsible for people's lives like that.
You don't know.
That's like the only thing that I want to do.
You have to feel confident.
Yeah. You know, you don't eat an elephant in one bite. It takes, one bite at a time to eat it. So,
That's the worst
Same thing with
about
flying.
today, you've got to get in that car.
That is
Yep.
true.
It's the most dangerous thing.
Really?
Definitely. All the time.
Statistically, that's a lot more dangerous.
Well, that just solves it. You need to fly everywhere you go.
Just because we
Yep. Cell phones.
yeah, because texting is worse than being a drunk driver. You know? At least a drunk driver's trying to see where you're going. It's a little bit blurry, you know what I mean? But here, on this texting, you don't look at the road. You're like blind driving. You know?
Yeah.
My brother's dog got killed over there in a car accident.
Oh.
Head on collision, and somebody was dead. Swerved over his head on 200 country road. You know? 26 years old.
All right, guys. Everyone wave goodbye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.